Here we go.
Huh?
Are you getting flashbacks yet, Taylor?
What, babe?
Are you getting nervous?
Am I getting nervous?
I'm nervous.
Oh, am I getting nervous? Yeah, I'm getting real nervous.
I'm afraid of this
Your prior train experience?
Yeah. I'm scarred.
I'll try and save you if anything happens.
Like, he can't even fit inside the train either.
Show them how happy you are. And they'll hear how happy you are.
Trenty, look at us go! We're on the choo-choo! Yay!
He needs to look forward.
Choo-choo! Smells like gas, huh?
We're late in a little part. Taylor, hold on. Don't tip over.